Hi guys, with another video. As you see, this is the remote control, universal remote control. It's so big, like like how big is it? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open it and show you that how they made it, this remote control, what is inside. So let's go ahead and look together and learn what is inside. Of course, always there is a screw that we need to take it out. There was a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I already took it these screws, and so I don't want to waste your time. That's reason. And just pull it like this side. Yeah, as it opens. This is the one side of remote control. Of course, behind the battery place. This is the board that it's makes it work, and right there all the numbers, as you see right there. When you touch with, this is the another part. This is the one that we just pushing on top of this number. When you push the number, as you see, there is all these lines indicate that each number, as you see right there. When you count this on top of this board, what we do, and we push to this number, and as you see, this is, what was the 6 right there. There's a line, so many lines that touching there and make it active. Now this is all about, as you see. There's not much things inside. This is the one, and this board, and there's the lights, of course. There's two. I'm saying the lights, but sensors sending to the TV. This is it. As you see, nothing much right there. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and please subscribe, and yeah, see you soon with the another video. Yeah, alright guys, bye bye.